So here two vectors are given. Let me read the question. The following two vectors are given. One is 24 meter per second at 30 degrees north of east, 30 degrees north of east, and other is 18 meter per second at 45 degrees angle north of west. One is north of east and one is north of west. Or it can be taken as 135 degrees from the positive x-axis. So we need to graph these two vectors on attached graph paper. So one is 30 degrees north of east. So this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. So one is 30 degrees north of east. So north of east. So from east we need to draw a line approximately making an angle of 30 degrees. So this vector is known as 24 meter per second. And the other vector is 45 degrees angle north of west. So from west it is making 45 degrees. So this is 18 meter per second. Okay, right. And we need to calculate the resultant vector of these two vectors. Yeah. So if I draw the diagram without axis, so it would be like this. So one is 24 meter per second and another is 18 meter per second. So the angle between them will be, so this will be 45 and this will be 60 because the overall angle is 90 degrees anyway. So the angle between them is 105 degrees, and we got two vectors and we got angle between them, so we can use uh, the parallelogram law of vectors. So if you got two vectors a bar and b bar, so the resultant vector is given by r is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So that is 24 square plus 18 square plus 2 times 24 times 18 times cos 105. So that would be 576 plus 324 plus 2 into 24 into 18 into cos 105. I can write as I can take the help of calculator, so no need to worry. So normally it would be sine 15. So root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, but let me take the help of calculator to get more approximately. So 576 plus 324 plus in the bracket 2 times 24 times 18 times cos 105. So let me calculate again. First I'll calculate cos 105. I need to enter the number, right? Okay. So 105 cos. I Let me do it in the help of scientific calculator because maybe it was taking in radians. So I need to have in degrees. 105 cos. Sure, cos 105 is minus. No, it is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Let me do it. N calculator. So root of 24 square plus 18 square plus 2 times 24 times 18 times cos 105. Yeah, so it's approximately equal to 26.007. Exactly, cos 105 is cos 90 plus 15, and it is in second quadrant, so it will be negative. Okay, so even if you get through this, you'll get the same answer approximately. I'll show you. So 105 minus 0 point, okay, so times 24 times 18 times 2 plus 576 plus 324. So the value is 691, and if you do square root, approximately 26.3. Okay, so that's how you'll get the resultant of those two vectors. Right, thank you.